Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text in Capcut PC. The first thing you need to do is to open the app. Go to New Project, then select Text, which is located at the top left corner between Audio and Stickers. Many preset templates will be shown like Trending, Word Art, Basic, and etc. as you scroll down. Now, as you have selected your chosen text template, drag it to the timeline. To change the content of the text, click on and look at the top right corner of your screen. It is set to default text. I will change it to, let's say, the end. You can also change the font size, style of the text, spacing, color, etc. as you scroll down the basic tab. Don't forget to experiment with this to master it. That is all for this video. See you on the next one.